If you are based in UK and thinking about buying property in UAE, that is Dubai or Abu Dhabi or anywhere else, this video is for you. Many UK buyers ask me, can I legally buy property in UAE? Do I need a residency? Can I get a mortgage from the UK? And is Dubai better than Abu Dhabi? Today, I will explain how UK buyers can buy property in UAE, what are your options, and what you should know before investing. Let's start with why so many UK investors are looking at UAE right now. The UAE offers no property tax, no capital gain tax, strong rental yields, a stable currency linked to US dollars, and long-term residency options through property investment. Compared to the UK, the buying process is often simpler and faster, which is a big reason international buyers are attracted towards Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Can UAE citizens buy property in UAE? The short answer is yes. UK citizens can buy property in UAE without being resident. You can own a property in designated freehold areas, meaning you own a property outright in your own name. In Dubai, popular freehold areas are Dubai Marina, downtown Dubai, Palm Jumeirah, Business Bay. Similarly, in Abu Dhabi, foreigners can purchase in designated investment zones such as Yas Island, Saadiyat Island, Al Reem Island. You don't need a local partner or a sponsor to own the property. How UK buyers can pay or finance? UK buyers generally have three main options when buying property in UAE. Option 1, cash purchase. Many UK buyers choose to buy in cash. This makes the process faster and gives you more negotiation power with developer or a seller. Option 2, UAE mortgage for non-resident. Several UAE banks offer mortgages to non-resident buyers. Typically, 25 to 30% deposit is required. Mortgage tenure is up to 25 years. Proof of income and UK bank statements are needed. Option 3, UK or international financing. Some buyers refinance UK property or use an international banking relationship to fund their UAE purchase. Each option has pros and cons depending on your financial situation. Now let's look at step-by-step process for buying a property. Here is how the buying process usually works. First, choose a licensed real estate agent experienced with UK buyers. Second, select the property based on your goals, that is rental income, capital growth, or personal use. Third, agree on the price and sign MOU. Fourth, pay a deposit, usually around 10%. Fifth, obtain a no objection certificate from developer. 6. Complete the transfer. Complete the transfer at the land department and register the property. The entire process takes 2 to 6 weeks, which surprises many UK buyers. Does property buying gives a residency? Buying a property in UAE does not automatically give you the residency, but it can qualify you. In Dubai, property investment starting from around 750,000 AED make you eligible for a renewable residency visa. Higher value investment can qualify for a long-term visas including golden visa subject to conditions. Residency rules can change, so always verify the current their holds before buying. Now let's look at Dubai versus Abu Dhabi for UK buyers. Here is a simple way of thinking about it. What Dubai offers: fast moving markets, higher rental yields, more short-term rental demands, more liquidity. On the other side, Abu Dhabi offers slower, more stable market, strong end user demand, government backed employment base, long term capital preservation. Many experienced investors diversify across both. The common mistakes UK buyers should avoid. Now let's look at few of the things. Don't buy purely based on marketing or guarantees. Avoid unlicensed agent. Understand service charges and maintenance cost of the property you are buying. Think long term, not just a short term hype. Doing a proper due diligence is critical. Our final thoughts. Buying property in UAE as a UK buyer is legal, accessible, and increasingly popular if done correctly. The key is understanding your option, choosing the right location, aligning the investment with your long term goals. If you are a UK buyer considering property in UAE, like this video, subscribe for more Middle East real estate insights, and comment below Dubai or Abu Dhabi.